How to delete a YouTube channel on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to google.com. Then, type in and search for YouTube Studio. Open the first link from the results. You will then be taken to the YouTube Studio homepage. On this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the settings icon. Here, tap on Channel. And then, go to the Advanced Settings section as shown. Scroll down to the end and tap on Remove YouTube Content. Over here, sign into your Google account and then tap on the I want to permanently delete my content option below. Select all of the following boxes to confirm that you understand. And then, tap on Delete My Content. Type in your email address over here and tap on Delete My Content again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete a YouTube channel on iPhone.